Hi everyone, Richard here. So I'm currently outside. I'm going to do a side-by-side review of these two OPPO phones, OPPO Reno10 and OPPO Reno10 Plus. Both cameras and the front and back cameras. We'll do vlogging with it, and we happen to be at one of the center where they're having cosplay, so I'm going to try out some shots with the cosplayers and we'll see how the photos and videos come out. Okay, no idea why the image is flipped. It looks weird, right? So one is on this side and the other one is on this side. So I'm not sure why it is flipped. So we shall test the vlogging with this, and then we shall see how it sounds like, the audio and the picture from here as well. Okay, shall we walk around and see how it goes. The wide angle now, I'm not sure what is this mode. Let's try to go wider. I can't go wider. I put all the stabilization on, so it's as best as it can. And we shall do the outdoor first before we go into the indoor. And that's my action cam on top of my head, if you can see that. I hope it's pointing at the camera. So currently it's not sunset yet. We may try, if I stay long enough, I may try to get some sunset shots from here. There's a nice park up there where we can get some nice shots. So hopefully it'll be in time, then we can do some low light shots as well. This is the front camera, and then we shall see how does the stabilize. I put on all the max, so I'm good testing all the video, the front and back, even the other main cameras. I'm going to put all maximum stabilization. We shall see how does the video fare, and then we shall take pictures from there as well. These high-res photos and the normal photos. So it's kind of odd because the mirror seems to be flipped. And we shall switch to the front camera, and then we shall see how. So what happened is max stabilization is at 1080p, 60 frames per second. So if you actually doing any stabilization, you need 60 frames per second. So there's enough frames for it to stabilize. If you're using 24p, you won't have enough frames, so you get a lot of artifacts. But most stabilization always cuts down you can't get it at 4K, you always get it at about 1080p. So we have a basket here. So how does the stabilization feel like? We shall test it out here first before we go in and look at some cosplayers. So there's lots of cosplayers here today, and you look at the queue, and you can see everyone wants to take picture with the cosplayer. Look at that. We shall change it to photograph afterwards, as now we just do some video first. So the queue is for autograph with this cosplayer. Very popular. Look at that. They're so popular. It's like you done. It's like, look at that. Hi.
Hey, my love is hard. It's tearing worlds apart. I never told the moon anything about me and you. And I know I gotta keep on breathing, but you know it's really hard when I'm dreaming about me and you and everything that we can do. Are you gonna be on my side now? Tell me, baby, please, are you gonna stick around? Cause all my time's for you. Just tell me that you want me to. I've been looking at you from across the room, and all of these lights are dim compared to you.
You can see the portrait mode is different for both. Wow, this is beautiful, and this is not so zoom in, this is more zoom in for portrait. So the Pro Plus really different lens in terms of portrait. Well, I must say the portrait on the Pro Plus is crazy good. Look at that. Look at this one. It's spot on, right? Amazing.
Cause all my time's for you. Just tell me that you want me to. I've been looking at you from across you. And all these lights look dim compared to you. I've been falling, 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 falling. And keep me coming, 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 coming. And every day and every way, I promise I'll feel the same. Cause all of you more than any other words can say.
So we shall go up this staircase and then we'll look and see what's up there, so that we can take the sunset photo as well. So this is staircase test. We're going up the staircase, see how shaky it is between the Pro Plus and the Pro. So everyone's doing their beautiful shots here. I don't want to get in their way. One of the most beautiful staircase we have here, and it closes at night. A lot of people come here for photograph. So this place is called Lalaport. So you can see how good is the stabilization. So let's hopefully get some sunset when we reach up.
Falling, falling, and keep me coming, 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 coming. And every day and every way, I promise I'll feel the same. Cause all of you more than any other words can say.
Lights are out, very beautiful now. You see, lighting is very nice. So how's the both the cameras? I hope you like it. So that's all. So give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you on the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.